Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long awaiting. It's been a while since I've posted a video. But, with the recent happenings, in the world and around us, it just was dawned on me to ask the question, what is love? What is love? Because so much people out here is searching for love, but they don't know what is love. In order to search for something, you gotta know what you're searching for. You understand? And you gotta apply yourself to life. Apply yourself to understand love and the word love. What is the meaning of love? So many relationships are failing because people just don't know what is love. Females out here be single forever. Why? Because they don't know love. They get love and they don't know love. They're searching for love in all the wrong places, in all the wrong humans. They're searching for love in people who are incapable of giving love. If we had love, then we would not need a lot of things. We'd not need a lot of people if we had love. If we have love and understand love and how love works, and understand that God is love, we'd not need religion. A lot of these people who prophesy to be the best of what they claim they are worshiping or what they claim they are doing in their form of religious activities, they don't have or understand love. And if they had love, then we would have the churches playing more role in the community for people. We'd not have people judging people, people killing people, people doing all those wrongs, committing themselves, breaking all the commandments. People are incapable of following the commandments because they don't have love. And if you understand the power of love, then you'd understand that love is the basic ingredient. It's like cooking. You cannot cook rice or flour or nothing like that without water. You understand? So love is like water, it's in everything. You understand? Love. So today I want to take the time out and just ask yourself, what is love? Do I know love? How can I love? If you pray and ask for understanding. Ask the Father to teach you, to understand love. So you can share love and give love and receive love. You understand? Jason Rebuilt here. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. It's Rebuilt Nation on YouTube. Go over there, click, like, share. Go over to Facebook. I have a Rebuilt Nation Facebook page. Go over there, follow my content, share my content just the same. Instagram, it's Rebuilt Nation. Snapchat, Jason Rebuilt. Go over there, subscribe. Go on Twitter, it's Jason Rebuilt. Follow, share, like, comment. Thank you.